Welcome students, I'm Cynthia. Today teaching you about the type of determiners and its use in English. First of all, understand the difference between adjectives and determiners. She is a pretty girl. Example 1 in column A, the underlined adjective pretty qualifies the noun girl and describes it. Hence, the word pretty is adjective. This girl has stood first in the class. Whereas, example 1 in column B, this determiner as it points to a particular person. Here, girl. In column A, second example, weak, weaker, weakest. The form of an adjective can change. In column B, example 2, any, many, few. Determiners remain the same. In column A, example 3, the position of an adjective is before a noun or as a complement of a noun. An interesting book. The book is interesting. Example 1, interesting adjective describes the book noun. Example 2, is interesting is used as a complement to the noun book. In column B, example 3, the position of the determiners is always before the nouns. This pen, that box, some ideas. Different kinds of determiners with examples. 1. Articles. 2. Demonstratives. 3. Possessives. 4. Distributives. 5. Quantifiers. 6. Interrogatives. Let us learn the proper use of articles. Articles A, N are indefinite articles. The definite article. Let's learn about indefinite articles A, N. A is used before nouns beginning with consonant. Example 1, a boy. Boy begins with consonant B. Example 2, a European. European begins with the consonant sound Y. N is used before nouns beginning with vowels. Example 3, an apple. N is used before noun beginning with vowel sound. In example 4, an R. H remained silent. A N is used to indicate a single entity. A bag, a car. A dozen eggs, a cup of sugar. A is used to express a certain quantity. A Muslim, a doctor. A is used to show rank, profession, community. A child should obey his parents. A is used to indicate any individual. A is also used before a proper noun to point out an unfamiliar person. A Sonali Sharma wants to meet you. A is used to in expressions like a mess, a pity, a lot of. Definite articles. Let us learn about definite articles. The is used before a noun when we want to make it particular. For example, the butterfly which flew into the room was pink. We are speaking about a particular butterfly. The is used before an adjective when it represents a class or is used as a noun. The rich should help the poor. We are speaking about a group of rich and poor people. The is used before a common noun to represent a whole class. The tiger is a cruel animal. The fox is a cunning animal. The is used before an adjective when it shows a quality. The beauty of the flower is amazing. The is used before superlative degree. It is the smallest bird in the zoo. The is used before a noun to show a unit of measure. The eggs are sold by the dozen. Milk is sold by the liter. The is used before directions and common nouns that are unique, means special. The east, the west, the earth, the moon, the planet. The is used before certain common nouns. The cinema, the temple, the theatre. The is used before nouns that have already been used. For example, I bought a vase from the shop. The vase is beautiful. The noun vase is mentioned the second time. The is used when it is clear from the situation which people or things we mean. The teacher is in the class. We use the with such phrases that specify a person or object. For example, the first house, the only baby, the same pen. The is also used with the names of seas and ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The is used before holy books. For example, the Quran, the Ramayana. The is used before trains, ships, aeroplane. The Rajdhani Express, the Emirates. The is used before rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna. The is used before mountain ranges, the Alps and the Himalayas. The is used before newspaper, the Times of India. The is used before countries in the name if the name is a common noun. The United Kingdom, the United States of America. The is used before important buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. The is used with the names of families, the Guptas, the Kanpurs. We use the with expressions like on the other hand, speak the truth, to play the guitar, the more the merrier. Repetition of articles. In sentence A, I have a red dress and pink dress. In sentence A single dress is referred to, talking about one dress having two colors. In sentence B, I have a red dress and a pink dress. Two dresses, one red and another pink, are indicated. In examples C and D, Shakespeare was a great poet and dramatist. D, the The board comprises of a great poet and a great dramatist. In example C and D, great poet and dramatist qualify Shakespeare, talking about only one person, that is Shakespeare. In example D, the use of a before the individual indicates that the sentence refers to two persons, that is a great poet and a great dramatist. The second kind of determiners are demonstratives. Demonstratives, we use words like this, that, these, those. In example 1, the glass has to be washed. This refers to singular noun that are close by. In example 2, these glasses have to be washed. This refers to plural noun that are close by. In example 3, that painting is very colorful. That is used before singular noun that are further away. In example 4, those paintings are very colorful. Those is used to point out plural nouns that are further away. The third kind of determiner is possessive. Possessives determiners can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, this car is big. I think its color is too bright. Color uncountable. Second example, your books are not new. Books countable. Third example, their school is closed now. School countable. The fourth kind of determiners are distributives. We use either to indicate any of the two persons or things. For example, you can use either pencil. We mean any of the two pencils. We use either to refer to both the things or person. There are tall trees on either side of the street. We mean tall trees on both the sides. Neither means not the one nor the other. Neither Tim, example, neither Tim was well prepared for the match. We mean both the teams were unprepared. We speak about things or person separately. Refers to small number or limited group. For example, each child was in proper uniform. Every refers to things or person as a group. Every student has got an identity card. The fifth kind of determiners are quantifiers. Examples: any, some, much, many, several, a lot of. Examples in sentences: do you have some money? Some children have come to meet you. There is some money in my pocket. The sixth kind of determiners are interrogatives. Determiners that help to ask questions. Examples: what, whose, which, how much, how many. Let's make some sentences. Which book is interesting? Whose car is parked at the gate?